We have seen in four bypolls, three bypolls result have already been out, and what we have seen from the Congress stronghold, Dera Baba Nanak, Aam Aadmi Party is able to win, and from Chabbewal, Aam Aadmi Party has managed to win that two seats from there. But a stronghold of Aam Aadmi Party from Barnala, where they have lost that seat to Congress Party, and Congress Party was able to win. We are reporting from Gidraba at this point of time, and we are showing all the statistics and calculation how these rounds are happening here. So total 13 rounds are required, and 9 rounds have already been done, where we can see Amarta Vring, who is wife of Congress chief, she is able to get 36,561 votes, whereas Dimpy Dillo, Hardeep Singh Dimpy Dillo, who is the Aam Aadmi Party candidate, he has got 49,772 votes as of now. If we can talk about Manpreet till the time 9th round, he is able to win only 10,245 votes. And if we can talk about the margin, we can see 13,211 margin here in Gidraba, and this counting is already underway. It's a 9th round which has just been finished, but as of now we know this is the prestige battle here in Gidraba. One side we have seen the former finance minister Manpreet Badal, he was contesting from the BJP, whereas from Congress we have seen Congress chief's wife Amrita Vring, she is contesting from here, and Amrinder Singh Raja Vring was able to win this election multiple times, 3 times from the same constituency, but this time we have seen there is a lot of anti-incumbency against him, and Hardeep Dillo, who has just joined from Akali Dal to Aam Aadmi Party, he is able to manage to win, and so far we are seeing these trends. We have seen he is leading from this Gidraba. So in Punjab, if we can talk about overall bypolls elections, we have seen Aam Aadmi Party has already won from 2 constituencies, it's Chabbewal and Dera Baba Nanak, and from Barnala the Congress candidate is able to win election from here, and from Gidraba the counting is still underway. So let's see, because these elections, bypoll elections, are very important for Aam Aadmi Party ruling government. It seems the way they have already got mandate, it seems from the way Aam Aadmi Party is leading from here also Gidraba, it seems Aam Aadmi Party is able to get mandate, and we have seen all the top leaders of Aam Aadmi Party, they are going to address their supporters and celebrating this victory of Punjab in national capital. So let's wait for more time to understand how this political calculation is going to happen in Gidraba. Back to studio.